Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I basically woke up very late. As you can see, I woke up at around 3 p.m. and I decided that I was going to have a productive day. So you'll see that I filmed 3 days, little clips of some productive days in my week. I filmed on Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So I hope you enjoy it. On Saturday, I focused on doing house chores, basically packing for the day after since I had work, doing laundry, having dinner, etc., etc. Just basically getting ready for the day. On Sunday, I started my day with a smoothie and then it was a work day. So first things that I did was actually planning, and then I had to sort out a few tasks that I had left from the week before. I had a few parts from my past assignments that I needed to resubmit, so this is what I was working on since they were due that morning. I tried to finish as much as I could at that time. Also, we had visitors at uni, so there was like some kind of a food buffet, like a mini buffet, so I took from that, and the rest of the day was basically more studying and more work to do. I just filmed a little bit of it. On Monday, I basically also did work. I was trying to find a way to re-update my email. I had some mistakes in it and some problems. I dealt with them. And then more work, basically. Another buffet shot as well. You will see the buffet shot at the end, or the plate that I took at the end. But basically, I ended this day by going to the beach at night. We went to the beach with some friends, but I still had some work to do, so I was finishing my work while sitting down at the beach. So yeah, working non-stop.
It's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. Isn't it me in summer? Didn't last too long. And Lord never loved her. I love the way she calls. It's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say.
This was a very short vlog, but I just wanted to share a few clips of my productive days with you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next week as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.